Welcome to our video NoSQL using Hive to explore further and experiment with the integration of Hive and NoSQL databases. What is NoSQL? NoSQL, which stands for Not Only SQL, is a category of database management systems that diverges from the traditional relational database model. It encompasses a wide range of database technologies designed to handle large volumes of diverse and rapidly changing data. Here are some key characteristics of NoSQL databases. Flexible schema. NoSQL databases are known for their ability to handle unstructured and semi-structured data. Scalability. NoSQL databases are designed to scale horizontally. High availability. NoSQL databases often provide built-in mechanisms for data replication and fault tolerance. Distributed architecture. NoSQL databases are typically built with a distributed architecture. Variety of data models. NoSQL databases support various data models. Use cases. NoSQL databases are commonly used in scenarios such as web applications, content management systems, real-time analytics, social media platforms, Internet of Things, IoT, applications, and more. What is Hive? Hive is an open-source data warehouse infrastructure built on top of Apache Hadoop. It provides a high-level interface and tools for querying, analyzing, and managing large datasets in a distributed computing environment. Some key aspects of Hive. 1. SQL-like query language. 2. Schema on read. 3. Data serialization and deserialization. 4. Data partitioning and bucketing. 5. Extensibility. 6. Integration with Hadoop ecosystem. 7. Data warehousing. 8. Hive Metastore. 9. Data formats. 10. HiveQL optimization. These aspects make Hive a powerful tool for big data analytics, data warehousing, and processing large datasets in a distributed computing environment. How use NoSQL with Hive? First, choose a NoSQL database. Second, set up the NoSQL database. Third, configure Hive. Also connect NoSQL database as external. Moreover, query the external table. By following these steps, you can leverage the power of NoSQL databases while utilizing the SQL-like querying capabilities of Hive. 3 popular types of NoSQL databases. Key-value stores are simple NoSQL databases that store data as a collection of key-value pairs. Document databases store data in flexible, self-describing documents, typically in formats like JSON or BSON. Column family stores organize data into columns rather than rows as in traditional relational databases. Using Hive with NoSQL databases offers several benefits. Overall, leveraging Hive with NoSQL databases offers the advantages of schema flexibility, data integration, ecosystem integration, a familiar query language, scalability, and performance. This combination can be powerful for performing complex analytics and gaining insights from diverse datasets stored in NoSQL databases. Thank you for watching.